Hi friends, I'm coming to the second part of the first lesson, that is Indo gangetic plain. Simple, Indo gangetic plain is nothing but Indus river and Ganga river, and we have Brahmaputra also. But majorly Indus and Ganga river flows in northern area. That's why it is Indo gangetic plain. Yeah, Indo gangetic plain is irrigated by three important rivers, as I told: Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra. I will show you where exactly it originates, it flows. We can discuss detail when I start a lesson in geography, but we will know the basic things here also on map. Of course, because of these rivers, those area which was served by these three rivers is fertile, and we have a tributaries. We know what are all tributaries. Tributary is nothing but the rivers which joins the mainstream, that is Ganga. The small rivers which joins or which add addition to the main river, that is called as tributaries. Indus, first of all we discuss about Indus rivers rises behind the Himalayas, and its major tributaries, we have major tributaries. When it comes to Ganga also, we have n number of tributaries for Ganga, but we will go through the major tributaries here. But when we studied in geography, we will learn everyone, each one. Okay. Indus river is Himalaya, is rises behind the Himalayas. That is also the where actually it Manas Sarovara Lake. Actually, we will discuss that one in later. That is when we talk about geography. That is the major tributaries are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej, and Bias. And Punjab. Why Punjab? Punjab is called as Punjab. The name comes because of the land of five rivers. The land of five rivers. Of course, Sindh is situated at the lower valley of Indus. Of course, Indus Valley goes there. We will study about Sindh also. Indus Plain is also known for its fertile soil. Wherever river is there, we will see the fertile soil there. That is absolutely. Then we have a Thar Desert. First of all, we can go through the map. Then we can go through here. Yeah. As I told, Indo-Gangetic Plain. See, these are all they have marked in violet color. That is, I will show you. See here, because almost I will show you. Yeah, almost this approximately this is this area is covered by Indus, and this much area is covered by Ganga. That's the name. It is Indo-Gangetic Plain. Yeah, let's go through the tributary of Indus first. See here, they have clearly given tributaries of Indus. See, Indus which originates here, like here it originates and it flow like this. We have Jhelum, Ravi, Sutlej, Chenab. These are all the tributaries of Indus river. Next we can discuss about, they are given Thar Desert. Thar Desert, that is in Rajasthan. That is this area. Thar Desert will come. In Thar we have a one minute. Yeah, comes here because the Thar Desert and Aravalli is we can't. Of course, we can discuss later, because of course it comes in Rajasthan area, Rajasthan portion. That is Thar Desert and Aravalli hills are situated in between the Indus and Gangetic plain. Because Rajasthan I showed in map. Mount Tabu is the highest point in this Aravalli hills. Yeah, let me come to the Ganga river. Ganga river rises in the Himalayas. It first flows south, then towards east. The river Yamuna flows almost parallel to the Ganga, then joins it, because the major tributary of Ganga is Yamuna. And usually, what is a Doab? Doab is nothing but the area between the two rivers. That is, the land between two rivers is called as Doab. As I told, there are so many tributaries are there. We will go through the important, that is Gomati, Sarayo, Gagra, and Gandak. Let me show you in map. Maps. Let me show you people in map. Please see here. Nepal. See, Ganga flows here. Actually, Ganga originates here in Uttarakhand. that we can discuss later, that is in geography. See, here comes, I will show you, here Gandak, Kagra, Gomati, Sun River. So there are so many tributaries: Yamuna, Betwa, Chambal. So many rivers are there. But for our information, these four rivers are important right now. Of course, we have Brahmaputra also. So I will show you Brahmaputra. See, this is the Brahmaputra, like this one, Brahmaputra. Actually, Brahmaputra, it originates, and they will call this name in China as Sangpo River. Sangpo. Now we will call, in our India we call that one as Brahmaputra. Yeah, we have in detail, we can study later. So these are all the areas. Like these areas was served by Indus. This area by Ganga, and this area by Brahmaputra. That's why it is called as Indo gangetic plain. And these are all plains relatively low level ground. It is not very high level ground. And we will study, next part is our that is southern peninsula. We can discuss that one in detail about peninsular region. Let me show you. As I told, in the east of India, Ganga plain merges, as I showed, in the east. Ganga merges with plains of Brahmaputra. The river Brahmaputra rises beyond Himalayas and flows across Tibet, then continues through the plains of northeast. It is a slow forming river, forming several islands. Of course, what is the conclusion here is Indo-Gangetic plain has contributed to the rise of urban centers. Why urban centers? Because in that time the mode of transportation is through boats. So rivers are very very important. Because of these river banks, there is a trade. If trade is very good, of course there is a formation of cities like this. That's what they will discuss here. The Harappan culture flourished in Indus Valley, that is Indus region, and Vedic culture proposed Western Gangetic plain. There are so many things. Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Delhi, Pataliputra are some of the important cities. The city of Pataliputra, they have shown the city of Pataliputra and the confluence of Sun River with Gangas. As I showed you also, the river Sun. As I showed you in map, that is the river Sun. It is near Pataliputra, that is Bihar. Then the most important city on the western side of Gangetic plain is Delhi. Why? Because I say this the same thing. It has a plain surface, and also there is a productive wealth, because there is a trade is very good. There is a n number of rivers are there. It is very useful for them for trade, and especially when it comes to Delhi, there is a Yanga Yamuna Doab. We know what is Doab, because our land between two rivers is called as Doab. Yanga Yamuna Doab. That proved the most contested, and everyone want to acquire that land, because it has a good amount of trade and good amount of river facilities, good amount of trade facilities. And in ancient time, it was very difficult to make roads. As I told initially, men and material were moved by boat. The important rivers for communication continued till the days of the East India Company. Thank you very much, people. Thank you for watching. Please like the if you like if you like the video, please like it, and please share to your friends. If you have any comments or if you have any inputs, please give it. As it is as I'm a new to this YouTube, I am doing some small mistakes. Of course, in upcoming videos I'm going to cover these mistakes. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, we have a next upcoming, we have an important topic, that is Southern Peninsula. It is very very important and very interesting also. It is very very interesting. Southern Peninsula, we can discuss that Southern Peninsula, and the next that is lesson 1 part 3. Okay, thank you very much.